Hi guys, this is Sai Krishna from JNJU College pursuing BTech second year in Information Technology branch. Today let's discuss about basic fundamental concepts and algorithms along with time and space complexity in an Excel sheet. Today I explain about in this desktops I explain about for loop, while loop, matrix addition, matrix multiplication, GCD of number, selection sort, bubble sort, and merge sort, and also insertion sort and linear search. Basically, for loop executes a block of code and a specific number of times. Its complexity based on time complexity is big O and N. Space complexity is big O 2, big O 1. And while loop executes a block of code as long as a given condition is true. While loop time complexity is big O and space complexity is big O 1. And basically for loops time complexity and space complexity is same. And now let's discuss about the matrix addition and the suppress matrix operations. Matrix addition adds a corresponding elements of two matrices of the same dimension. Time complexity is big O and square, where n is the number of rows and columns or columns. Space complexity big O into 1 if the result is stored in one of the input matrices. Matrix multiplication more complexity than addition, involving in dot products of rows and columns. Big O and cube for general matrix multiplication. Space complexity big O into 1 if the result is stored in a separate matrix. Greatest common divisor GCD Euclidean algorithm, efficient method to find the GCD of two numbers. Time complexity big O log mean A and B. Space complexity big O into 1. Now let's discuss about sorting algorithm. Selection sort finds the minimum element in the unsorted position and swaps it with the first unsorted element. Time complexity big O into n square. Space complexity big O into 1. Bubble sort. Bubble sort repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. Time complexity big O and square. Space complexity big O into 1. Insertion sort builds the sorted array one element at a time by inserting each element into correct position. Time complexity big O and square in the worst case, big O into n in the best case. Space complexity 0 3 big O into 1. Merge sort it is a divide and conquer rule. A divide and conquer algorithm that recursively divides the array into two halves and sorts each half and then merges the sorted halves. Time complexity is big O n log n. Space complexity big O and due to the extra space required for merging. Searching algorithms linear search searches for an element by sequentially checking each element in the list. Time complexity big O into n. Space complexity is 0 into 1. Key time and space trade-offs. Key points are some algorithms may be faster but require more memory and vice versa. Choosing the right algorithm depends on the specific problem and resource constraints. Data structures. The choice of data structure can significantly impact the efficiency of algorithm. For example, binary search requires the data to be stored. I hope this explanation is helpful to you. Thank you guys.